Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is a last chance yarn video. These are just a couple of yarns that are really at the end of their availability, and I won't restock them. This one is a maybe. I don't really know about this, but I have enough of this to make a few really nice plushies or a blanket or whatever you want to make. I think I've got about 9 of these left, and it's called Honey Monster, this particular shade. 100% super soft polyester, and it is really very, very squishy soft. It's 100 grams, 3 ounces and a half, 130 meters or 142 yards. It's a Signet yarn called Yeti, 100-gram ball, and it is ridiculously squishy soft. This is probably one of the best colours in Yeti. This one at the moment, I am reducing this right down, so if anybody wants to get their hands on some nice eyelash yarn or fluffy yarn, whatever you want to call it, it's ever so easy to work with. You've got that cord that you can feel your stitches and you can even see them. So this is one that I'm including in this time for, this is the very first ever last chance yarn, but I'm going to be doing that for ones that are really at the end now. I haven't got a lot of stock. Some I do have a fair few numbers and enough to make something. Some are 1s and 2s, but I can't remember exactly. I think I've written it down somewhere. But this is the first one. This is Yeti, and I know I have 9 of these in stock. So incidentally, my shop is hobbyrocks.co.uk. There's a link in the description box to it. I ship worldwide. It's weight-based shipping, so the smaller the parcel, the smaller the cost, and all tariffs are included. So this is Stylecraft Fusion Chunky, mega popular yarn. This colour, I think I have about 4 left in this rust. Now, I did make that bit of fluff off of the Yeti. I did make some pumpkins with this on my channel, so if you look at that tutorial, you can see how this works up. But it's got this really lovely kind of mottle effect. Really, really pretty and very, very nice yarn. It is a chunky, but I would say for you guys across the pond, it's more like an Aran, to be honest with you, or a 4-weight worsted. So I have rust colour, and then I have petrol. This is gorgeous. I don't know, the Yeti's getting everywhere. So if you can see it, you've got like 2-tone kind of teal and blue there, making this overall effect. It's called Petrol, as I said, and all the info is the same as previous. I don't think I told you, did I? Let's do it then. We can tumble dry this, we can machine wash it and cool iron, and you may dry clean it. 100% premium acrylic, it's 200 meters or 219 yards. It's saying a 6mm crochet hook, etc. And it is beautifully squishy soft. And petrol, I believe I've got 6 left in that colour. So there's another one here. This is called Burgundy. And you can see the colours, the way they change in this one. Being as though it's lighter, you can see how they work. You've got the lighter, the dark kind of purple, and then you've got the burgundy wine colour. Overall, it's called Burgundy, and all the same info applies to that. How many have I got in Burgundy? Got a couple of these, so enough to make a scarf, hat or whatever, and it is beautiful. Absolutely lovely. That one is Burgundy. This one is Lime, and it's a very interesting shade of green. It's got that effect again where you've got 2 tones at work giving you that colour. The last one had 3 tones, but I think this one's just the 2. Lime, I have 4 of these. This was actually, to my surprise, a really, really mega popular colour. I guess a lot of people wanted to make their men something with this colour because it is quite, I don't know, it's a very nice colour. You could unisex it, but it was a good yarn for making things for men, in actual fact, this one. So Lime, I have 4. And then my favourite colour of all of them is this one. And I think it's just called Blue. Yeah, it's Blue. And I've only got 2 left. I was tempted to keep them because it is gorgeous. You know I love blues, but it's got that two-tone effect again, making the overall blueness and yumminess in this. So I've got 2 of those left. So far, I can't get it back in the bag. Hang on. I've got a bag at the side of me. So far we've had Yeti, the furry yarn, and we've had the Fusion Chunky. Now this is truly, going to fall on the chair, a discontinued yarn. And I have one, oh no, I don't have one missing. I thought I had 2. The same there. This is Colour Twist, Stylecraft Colour Twist. And I don't honestly know, excuse me, I just need to wipe my eye. It's really hot in here. I really have no idea why this has been discontinued. It is a very, very pretty yarn. I really liked it. When I first saw it, I knew I had to get it in the shop. Really lovely yarn. I don't have a great deal left. It is 100% premium acrylic. You've got 275 meters, 301 yards. It's a DK, although it's not the thinnest of DKs. It's quite nice, worked up. We've got a machine wash of 30 degrees, cool tumble dry and cool iron. Stylecraft have got rid of a lot of really nice yarns. I never quite forgave them for getting rid of Cabaret. It was my favourite yarn. It was just so pretty. But there is a pattern on the reverse of the ball band. I can't remember if it's knitted or crochet, but it is a snood. And it's a new pull, apparently, when this was out. Finally, a ball that doesn't roll around the floor. Your cat may not like it, but we're sure you will. So I liked this in every aspect. The colours were good. I liked the way it worked up. It was nice to work with. Anyway, that's colour, what did I say? Oh, petals. How many petals do I have? Let's find the paper. I've got 6 in the colour of petals. And I'd say it was one of the most popular of colours of all of them. And all 3 of these that I've got left are, this one is called Pebble, mega popular in Pebble. It's very dark grey with all these lovely jewelled colours coming through. It's really, really nice Pebble. And how many pebbles? I've got 4 of the Pebble left, sadly. I wish they hadn't discontinued it. It's really, really nice. A nice amount of yarn as well on each ball. Just 275 meters, 301 yards. I can't remember if I told you that or not. And they're saying a 4mm crochet hook, but you could definitely go 4.5 on this. Anyway, I have one more colour. And again, it's one of my favourites. Obviously, it's blue. Sorry, that was just my key in there, making that bag heavy. So, yeah, this is blue. And what do we call it? I think it's called Night Sky. There we go. And it is very, very nice. And I don't have, as I say, I don't have a lot of this one. 2 I have left in the Night Sky. But these blues are gorgeous. I don't know if you're picking them up, but they are really, really pretty. And all of these colours really do shine out bright with this one. I love this. It's very popular. I've only got 2 left. So that's it. Those are my last chance yarns. This one is an absolutely last chance because it was discontinued. Got a feeling the Fusion might have been. I'm not 100% sure on that. I seem to remember it was. But the Yeti, obviously not. I don't think it has. But I just don't have any more in my shop. So, and whether I get more or not remains to be seen in the future. But those are my last chance yarns. They won't be available forever. So if you like what you see, head into the description box. You'll find hobbyrocks.co.uk. If you could, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you could like, share and hype this video, really, really does help my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.